This is a quick look at the Milwaukee Fastback folding utility knife.
Oh yeah.
I really like this utility knife. It's compact, durable, and the press and flip design allows for one-handed operation to lock the blade in the open and closed positions. The tool allows for quick, tool-free blade changes and has this metal extension to prevent accidental blade removal. There's storage for 5 blades, which can only be opened when the blade is in the open position. It's also magnetic. There's not only a hanging loop for the workshop's pegboard, but also a removable pocket or belt clip. The thin blade holder design on one side of the blade allows for easy scoring, and you can also cut twine or strip wire either here when the blade is open or here when the blade is closed. Although it wouldn't be my first choice of tool for those applications. I'd probably only use it if I was in a pinch. With a steady blade holding mechanism and comfortable metal handle with the finger cutout, the knife easily slices cardboard or insulation and even cuts carpeting. Of course, changing the blade frequently certainly provides cleaner and easier cuts. This kit came with 50 blades and a blade dispenser. The dispenser not only shows roughly how many blades are in the pack, but also allows for storing used blades for later disposal. I do want to point out that the second blade I pulled out of this pack, though, had a broken tip, which was a little disappointing. But of course, there are 2 sides to every blade. Overall, this is another well-made, well-thought-out Milwaukee tool, and it makes a great stocking stuffer for the DIYer. Thank you. Even if you do just buy it for yourself, wrap it, and put it in your stocking from Santa. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please do me a favor and like it. More importantly, please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.